According to our price action roadmap, under Candlestick we have already learned hammer, bullish engulfing morning star and evening star, and today we are going to learn inverted hammer and shooting star candlestick pattern. Let's first understand the shooting star pattern. The shooting star pattern is a single candlestick pattern that forms when the market is in a short uptrend and the price is near its resistance level. At this time, a candle forms at the top level, which we call a shooting star candle. Observing the previous trend, buyers in the market push the candle above the resistance level with strong buying at higher levels. However, after a while, sellers enter the market and push the price down. Additionally, some buyers also book profits, causing the candle to gradually come down and close below its opening, forming a long upper wick. This indicates that fresh buyers are not yet ready to enter the market, and the price is not getting support to go above the resistance level. Since the price is already in the resistance area, sellers show interest in selling at higher levels, increasing the selling pressure and causing the price to close lower. If a bearish candle forms after the shooting star candle, and its closing is around or below the 50% area of the previous green candle, you can enter a short trade by placing your stop loss above the wick high of the shooting star candle. Now let's understand the psychology of buyers and sellers behind this. Buyers who entered long trades at lower levels have made good profits due to this bullish move. As the price approaches the resistance area, some buyers book their profits, while some new buyers enter long trades thinking that the resistance level is breaking out. However, the price has already moved up significantly, and since it is near the resistance level, a reversal is likely. Sellers start selling at higher levels to avoid missing the opportunity. Due to the higher number of sellers compared to buyers, the candle closes below its opening. When buyers enter long trades, their stop losses are usually placed below this green candle. As the market moves below this level, the stop losses of buyers get hit, causing the price to drop rapidly. The shooting star candle acts as a signal for a bearish reversal. Let's look at some examples on the chart. This is a 5-minute time frame chart. Here, as soon as the market opens in the morning, the price moves up with a strong bullish candles and trades in a range for a while, forming a base. However, the price breaks out of this range with a strong bullish candle and continues its previous trend upwards. At the top level, a strong bullish candle starts, but facing resistance at higher levels, the price comes down and closes below its opening, forming a shooting star candle on the chart. Due to profit booking by buyers at higher levels and the entry of sellers in the market, bearish candles form on the chart. However, the low of the previous green candle is not broken, causing fresh buyers to try to push the price up again but fail. Seeing this, sellers increase the selling pressure, causing the price to close below the swing low. This scares the buyers, and they start exiting their positions in panic, causing the price to drop rapidly. Therefore, whenever the price makes a strong bullish move in the market and is near the resistance level, you should wait for the closing of the candle breaking the resistance level above it, and for the price to pull back and move upwards again before entering a trade with your full quantity. This is because such breakouts have a high chance of failing. Now let's look at the inverted hammer candle. The shooting star candle forms at higher levels after an uptrend and signals a bearish reversal. In contrast, the inverted hammer candle forms at lower levels and signals a bullish reversal. If you invert the hammer candle, you will see the inverted hammer candle forming. Here, when the price is in a short-term downtrend and near its support level, sellers book their profits, causing the price to move up but then close lower again. Seeing the weakness in selling, buyers enter the market, and the next candle closes at a higher level, causing sellers to panic and cut their positions out of fear of losing their profits. Additionally, since the price is near the support level, fresh buyers enter the market, pushing the price even higher and reversing the trend. In this way, buyers take advantage of the seller's fear. Let's look at some examples. This is a 5-minute time frame chart. Here, after a small uptrend, the market faces rejection at higher levels and forms a shooting star candle in the second half of the day, closing at lower levels by the end of the day. The next day, when the market opens with a gap down and the price tries to move up, taking support from the previous day's low but fails, an inverted hammer candle forms on the chart. Here, buyers push the price up twice, but sellers push the price down again without breaking the lower level. Seeing the weakness in sellers, buyers enter long trades from the support area, forming a big bullish candle on the chart. Any seller who thought the market would break the support area and go down finds their stop losses threatened by this green bullish candle. Additionally, any sellers who entered short trades the previous day have their stop losses placed around this resistance area. There are more stop losses above than below, providing the liquidity needed to push the market up. As soon as these stop losses are hit, the price moves up rapidly, continuing its previous uptrend. When using candlestick patterns in price action, always remember that any candlestick pattern needs the support of key levels to work correctly. For example, if the inverted hammer candle had not formed near the support level, it alone could not have reversed the market trend. Therefore, whether it is a shooting star or an inverted hammer candle, both need the support of important key levels on the chart to work effectively. I request all traders to practice the concepts discussed in this video as much as possible to understand them better. If you like this video, please comment and hit the like button, and for more videos, subscribe to this channel.